1 pair of pants later.
1 week later.
2 hours later.
2 weeks later.
3 hours later. 3 weeks later. 3:28 a.m.
5 hours later. 5 minutes later.
6.5 hours later. 6 hours later.
7 hours later.
7:59 a.m. 8 hours later. 8:01 p.m.
10 seconds later. 11 minutes later.
12 o'clock midnight. 12 seconds later.
15 minutes later.
16 paranoia-filled days later.
70 years later.
20 minutes later.
24 hours later.
48 hours later. 72 hours later.
75 years later.
298 frozen patties later.
346 minutes later.
Thousands of tears later. 2,000 years later. 3,000 years later. A few inches later.
A few minutes later. A little longer than a few minutes later.
A lot of boring math later.
Graduation day. Approximately 10 hours later.
Day 4, day 3, day 2.
Early the next morning. End of flashback.
Epilogue. Eventually.
Flashback. 4 to 6 days later. 4 to 6 more days later.
4 to 6 weeks later.
Just then, by sheer coincidence.
Later that same evening.
Later, in the void. Many hours later.
Many months later.
Many tic-tacs later.
Meanwhile,
at the Krusty Krab. Meanwhile, back in the lowland. Moments later. Montage. More moments later.
much later.
Much later. Much later.
One debt to society later. One eternity later.
One extremely annoying shift later. One frozen wasteland later. One long angry line later. One semester later. One shift later. One winner later. Opening night.
Several bad puns later. Several days later.
Several months later.
Several song-filled hours later. 6 months later.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
The following day.
The following Thursday. The next day.
The next morning. The very next evening.
3 days later. Tomorrow. Tomorrow for sure.
2 days later. 2 very boring minutes later.
We hope you enjoyed this brief construction montage. What follows is a brief construction montage.
While Patchy pulls himself together, let's see how SpongeBob's party is shaping up.
Yesterday.
1 hour later!
1 hour later.
1 minute 37 seconds later.